So today's the second day of Hyperfest. We didn't really vlog anything yesterday. We might have had a few clips here and there, but it's been really hard because we have a lot of people, but it's like kind of all hands on deck at all times, so everyone's always doing something, so there's not really anybody to vlog, which is fine, which is actually good, so everyone keeps busy. But we got some really cool footage yesterday. The chase car rig worked out awesome, first time using that. We're going to perfect that today and then grab some more shots, of course. Tonight is the bigger day. There's going to be more people showing up. There's going to be more events tonight, plus a Burnout competition, and me and Mike have some cameras I could shoot in some really slow motion, so that's going to be really exciting. And yeah, we're going to head out now. It is 7:20, first happening, start around 8:05, I think, or 8:50, one or the other. So we're gonna go pack up, get in the golf carts, over to the track. Even though heading over to the track is just going right there. Cody, Mike, what'd you guys just do?
Made some fire content. Fire.
So they just had the black arm on the front of the car as opposed to yesterday you guys saw we had it on the rear of the car. We haven't really done any clips today yet. We've all been super busy today, but we have a few minutes to chill, so we're all just gonna chill, eat lunch. But we just got some really cool slow-mo stuff for off-road. These guys got cool on-road shots. Anthony's been going around clearing up everything else. Yeah, everything's going really great so far. We got some insane content. Plus the same day edits are going out on time, so things are going very well. I haven't really vlogged much at all, but we just got a sick-ass camera follow car shot that was so cool. I just wanted to get a shout out to you, but Mike is proficient at that, so I left the controls in his hands. I want him to take care of all of that, so the shots can be as good as it possibly can for you guys for this video. All right, now I'm capturing some of the lawnmower racing. They just had a little lawnmower wreck back there, if you guys can see. Thumbs up with their lawnmower. But they have lawnmower racing out here, which is pretty cool. Ooh, little drift car. Where is it? Boom. So I'm gonna grab some slow motion of the guys going around in these lawnmowers. It's pretty funny to watch. And then we're gonna have full course drift. We're gonna try to get our car out for full course drift, the chase car, because that'll be really cool. If you guys have questions about that, maybe we'll talk about that in the comments. I know we haven't talked about too much about that, but it's a black arm. First time we're using it with a bunch of suctions, a bunch of speed rails, a bunch of poles that hold it up together. And then we use the Mimic and a PS4 controller to control it all from inside the car, and Mike's follow focus. So it's cool. I'm waiting for them to do the next round here. Hyperfest is awesome. Met a lot of you guys so far, so pretty cool.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Try to have you stay as close to us as you can.
He's up on us, he's on us. Good. Yes. You're good. Alright, I'm going to shut it down. Alright, we're good. I was only going about half speed.
Well, you're too fast for me then.
Yes, please. Ready? He's with us. Still with us. He's tight on us. He's breaking loose. You're good. He's breaking away. He's breaking away. Slow it up. All right, they're gonna gas down. He's right with us. I see him. Yeah.
Oh, this shot is amazing.
Thank you, I'll get you that. No one behind you. What? You're good. No one's behind you. Okay.
That was awesome, guys.
Cool.
You should tell them to aim for it.
That's why it's an action camera.
Yeah, it almost made it.
Don't crash, but it'd be cool if you did.
They're running. Getting in cars. There you go. There you go. Keep going a little bit. Keep going a little bit. Good speed. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. You can slow it just a tad. Just a tad. Yeah, let them catch up. Let them catch up. All right, they're starting to come, so.
Number 93, Jesse Batman Thomas!
We're trying to have fun. Howdy, LZ, everybody! The banana pudding vehicle. Adam, let's see what you got. Adam, but are you ready to do a burnout? Make some noise for Adam Ozzy! Make some noise, have the old celebration out here. Make some noise! Wow. Gas masks and all. What do you say, Hyperfest?